Hi there, this video will take you through your Thndr wallet and how to add money to it. Adding and withdrawing money from your Thndr wallet is easy and your money is always safe as you're licensed by the Fawry. To invest through Thndr, you need to top up your wallet. You can withdraw your money whenever you want, and down here you'll see all of your completed transactions. You can check pending transactions through this tab. Now let's go through the different ways you can top up your wallet. We have 4 options to top up your account: bank transfers and cash deposits, Instapay, Vodafone Cash, and e-payment providers such as Fawry. We're always working hard to add more top-up options. Don't forget to confirm your transaction on the Thndr app after the transfer. Otherwise, we won't be able to add the funds to your wallet. Now let's go through each option. Bank transfers and cash deposits. Wire transfers. You can make a wire transfer from your preferred bank account to Thndr's account. The first step is to make the wire transfer through online banking or by visiting your bank. You can copy and paste our bank details from the app. Make sure to check the details carefully when making transfers. After you've made the transfer, confirm the transaction on the app. Make sure that the transfer date and amount are correct. If you've made the transfer from a bank account that isn't listed under your name, please make sure to contact customer support. Cash deposits. You can visit any CIB branch and make a cash deposit into Thndr's bank account. Make sure you keep the deposit slip. Confirm your deposit on the app here and upload a picture of the deposit slip. Instapay. Instapay is licensed by the CBE. If you'd like some help navigating the Instapay app, check the link in the description for a how-to video on using the Instapay app. You can make your transfer to Thndr's bank account through the Instapay app. Once completed, come back to your Thndr app to confirm the transfer. Vodafone Cash. To make a Vodafone Cash transfer, you need to have a Vodafone Cash wallet, not just a Vodafone number. If you don't have a Vodafone Cash wallet, you can contact Vodafone to set one up. To make a transfer, start off by entering your Vodafone number and then fill in the amount you'd like to transfer. To complete the transfer, enter your Vodafone wallet PIN and one-time code that you'll receive as an SMS. E-payment providers. We currently have Fawry as our e-payment provider. To top up your Thndr wallet, visit any Fawry Plus branch. You can check the link in the description to find the nearest one. Open the Thndr app, enter the amount you'll transfer, and confirm to get our merchant details. You'll need these at the Fawry branch. Once you're at the Fawry branch, a Fawry representative will help you complete your transfer. It takes 1 working day from receiving your transferred amount in our bank account to add the money to your Thndr wallet. If you need any help, please reach out to our support team through the app.